Alright, hello YouTube dork friends. What we got here is James at the CB shop, Big Rig Radio, Phoenix, Arizona. And what are you doing right now, James?
I'm analyzing the antenna on a dipole that
Oh, okay. So,
an inverted beam.
right on. Alright, so we got here is a homemade dipole situation. We're experimenting with different antennas and made this custom bracket right here. The bracket was originally flat all the way across. We took and stuck it in a vise, bent it a little bit, put a couple of ring connectors on each side, insulated top and bottom, as you know, because this side is hot and this side is ground. So it is a dipole, rabbit ears. And now we're checking things out. We are gonna record that. Okay, we had a whole bunch of noise. All right, so what we did here is we're experimenting. It is a known fact that, all right, so you can see that SWR is right around 3.8 or something like that. And these particular pink sticks are a 5/8 antenna. It's a known value, and we knew it wasn't gonna work. But see, the oddball thing is, these little itty bitty guys are also 5/8 waves, and when we checked it out, it actually had about a 1.6 SWR. So we're gonna go ahead and take this bracket back apart and then put a little bit more of a bend, because we think that the angle, the distance between the two antennas might be a little close, and they're kind of interfering with each other. So that's the little dork game we're playing today. It is, it works, and this could be something that you could set up with 2 8-foot whips on a pipe in your backyard, bolted to the side of a shed. Pretty low profile if you have limited space and you want a decent 10 meter, 11 meter antenna. All right, friends, we'll catch you later. This has been fun. See ya.